Gua Sha 101. You need to make sure you have clean skin, freshly moisturized, and you're gonna wanna use a skin oil. And be pretty generous with the face oil. You wanna create a slip for the Gua Sha tool, okay? Get that on all over and your neck as well, your chest. We're gonna pump a few times here in your collarbone. We're gonna activate your lymph nodes or your lymph system. You might feel like you have to swallow. We're gonna clear the lymph. We're gonna drain it. So there are several purposes to Gua Sha. One is to tone the muscles, tighten the skin, but also move the lymph. The lymph moves toxins out of your system. Okay, so we're gonna start, well, actually you can start with your chest. And you can range from 3 passes to 30 passes, just whatever you have time for. You can do this daily, every other day, weekly, monthly, whatever is in your schedule. Of course, daily is best if you can. I want you to note that you need to use the flat side. It's almost completely flat. Does that make sense? You're not using this side, okay? I'll show you how to use it when we are gonna use it this way, but we're gonna use it flat for your Gua Sha treatment. And for time purposes, I'm not gonna do 30 passes. I'm just gonna show you the movements. And next you're gonna go up and you're gonna do several passes. Again, anywhere from 3 to 30, whatever you have time for. And you're using the flat side and then you're bringing it up. You're gonna do that all across your neck. Now, this groove, we're going to do the jaw. When you get to your ear, you're going to shake. And if you need to, you can hold your chin. And you're gonna do 3 to 30 passes. And then you're gonna take the flat side under your chin, press it out all the way to your ear. And then shake it out. We're activating the lymph when you press those acupressure points. Then we're gonna move up to your lip line area. And we're gonna go under the eye, kind of cheekbone area. We're gonna take that groove, cheekbone, and remember you're keeping this pretty flat, and then you're gonna hit those pressure points. Your skin might turn a little bit pink or red. That's good. We're bringing up the blood supply and we're draining the lymph. You don't need hard pressure, but you want moderate pressure. Then under your eyes, we're gonna take this little section here and we're just gonna bring it out to the temple. Okay, and then we wanna make a pass over the lip and then we're gonna bring it out. You don't want to go over the lip like this and just leave it, because then whatever toxins you've drained stay here. So now we have to move it out. Okay, now we're going to go up. I'm going to go from the tip of the nose all the way up. And you're always moving up and out. Okay, and you can also move to the side as well. So this one is optional, but I like it. I like going over the eyebrow. Again, it might look like I'm using the edge, but I'm actually keeping it pretty flat. And if you need to tighten your eyelid area, you can take this and just sweep it over. If you do go over your eyes, make sure you bring that out so you can drain it. And you can do that in the morning if your eyes are puffy. And then bring it down, and you're going to drain everything we just put to the side of our face. And again, we're using that flat side. And then repeat on this side. I'm going to just do a couple passes to show you. My cat. You bring it down and drain it. Sorry, you can hear my kids in the background playing video games, talking to their friends. Okay. And then you can just pump and then drain the rest of it out. Now, if you have a blemish, you can take the blunt side and we're going to kind of do a vigorous massage. You're going to get that blood circulating in that area. Blood heals the skin. So if you feel an underground pimple popping up, take that Gua Sha tool. If you have lines across your forehead, actually can go ahead and go pretty vigorous across the forehead. If you have lines here, you can rev up that blood supply to feed and nourish the skin, and then just soothe it all out and drain it. And then when you wake up in the morning, your skin's just going to look amazing, fresh, tight, beautiful. Very simple healing jade Gua Sha tool. The jade itself is a very healing stone, and the motions help to tone, tighten, refresh, nourish, and detoxify the skin. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, send me a message.